Yeah, you got a you got a package. Who you got a package from?
Miss Robinson.
I ain't seen no Miss Robinson. From Rob Naylor. All right, let's see. Open. Let's see what you got.
I hope it's a Mormon too.
Girl, I told you it's a shirt.
So wrapped. Cause who is that, Alex?
Need help?
I want. Oh yeah. Have a different pair. I want to have a different pair.
You on a Zendaya video?
Another this. What's his name, Alex?
All right, we got the business cards. Okay. Let me see the shirt on you.
Wait, what's his name? Something.
Just put the shirt down. Let me see your shirt.
KSI.
There she go. Yeah. You look good.